Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually create a Spotify account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to create a Spotify account. So in this video, we're about to discuss how you can actually create a free version of Spotify as well as a premium version. First of all, you can actually do this from the app itself, but I'm not going to open the app because it will not let me record the sign up and the login screen. So I'm going to basically show you the process from my browser. The interface is pretty much the same. You could also use your browser if you actually wanted it to. Now, after you open any of the browser which you have, in the search box, you want to simply head over to spotify.com. So I'm going to simply go to spotify.com, and you can also check the link down in the description box in order to go ahead and simply go to spotify.com if you're not being able to find the correct URL. Now what you have to do is, after you go to spotify.com, from the top right hand side you can see these three horizontal lines. So tap on these three lines, and right over here you'll find an option which says sign up. If you already do have an account, you can tap on login, but I'm going to tap on the sign up button. As we tap on sign up, you have the option to actually sign up with Facebook or sign up with Google. You could go ahead and do that for the better and easy convenience for yourself, but let's assume that we have neither of those. I'm going to go ahead and enter all of my details manually. So what I will do is, first of all, let me go ahead and simply enter all of these details. So as you can see, I have actually entered my details. Let me just go ahead and also show you all of this. First of all, you have to enter an email address. Make sure you have access to that email address because it is obviously going to send an OTP code or a sign up confirmation. You can also confirm the email, and then you have to actually create a password. So make sure you are actually very careful in creating this password, because obviously there is no another option to actually retype and confirm that you have actually entered the correct password. And like other social media sites, you also obviously do not have the eye icon in order to view what password you have typed in. After that, go ahead and enter the username for your Spotify, enter your date of birth, enter your gender. If you want, you can also check these three options. Finally, the last step is to verify the captcha, and then after you verify the captcha, I'm going to tap on the sign up button at the bottom of the screen. So once you tap on sign up, you can see our account has actually been successfully created. Now if you want, you could go ahead and actually open the Spotify app and then browse and stream songs in that way, or else what you could do is you could also go to your account settings and so on. Else what you could also do is simply enable the desktop side in order to use Spotify from the browser itself. And this is basically how you can create a Spotify account on both the Android and iOS. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.